So you want to see how it looks like? It looks like this. Okay? So, and then look, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different eye molds. So, we're gonna unbox it now. It's so pretty.
What's pretty?
Amy, you want to try?
Yeah.
Like that, okay? Do. No, like this, okay? Do that. Like that, okay? Wow, so this is the actual box without the wrapper, okay? So look at this, Mimi. Look. Wow. This is my first time having like a big one. I'm gonna show you the ones that we have. I'm gonna show you the ones we have currently. Okay? Come on, let's go.
Come on.
So we have here. It's really high. Look, we have this, and we have 6 more. No, 7 of them. Yeah, we got a lot. Okay. So let's unbox it. Okay. Just can't believe I got it. Okay. So me, help me.
Okay.
So we put that. Oh. Wait, how do I do? Oh. Yeah. Okay. So are you ready for the unboxing? Okay. So there's tape.
It's
So unfair. Okay guys, this is gonna take a decade. Hi guys, so I finally found the cutter after an entire decade. So, how do I do this? Mommy, no, stay away, okay? So good.
Yeah.
That was satisfying. Oh. Okay, so voila! So we're gonna do this, okay? So, you see it, okay? You see it? It's like this. Okay? The vacuum cleaner is falling on you. And so there's a fabric. That's pretty nice. You guys want to see? Drum roll, guys. I don't think it looks like a light. It doesn't look alike. Oh, the eyeglasses is crazy. Be quiet, Mimi, okay? So, look at the Converse. So, here's the thing. So, we're going to use our...
Okay.
Hello, guys. So we're going to unbox it. I don't really know how to see off tape. It's so hard. Okay, guys. After years of trying, right? Right, Mimi? Right?
Yes, it was.
After years of trying, right? It was a decade. Yeah.
Okay.
Look how easy it is. You see? And then years of trying. I still haven't figured it out yet. I figured it out. The monster looks adorable. Looks so adorable. Hey, you see it, right? Look at her.
Look
in my opinion.
Gaga.
Oh yeah, pressure itu. Here, sit here.
Okay. I love you.
Let's see how this works. Oh, strap. I hope I don't cut her fur. Okay, guys, look at this. It's so cute. Am I right? Let's undress him. Look at. Whoa. Oh yeah, we forgot about that. We forgot about the eyeglasses. But look at his belly. He's so fat. Okay?
So cute.
Yes, okay? We're gonna put here, okay? On my bed first, okay? And then we'll get to this guy. He isn't a guy, but look at this. Probably it could probably fit me.
Okay.
Hi guys, so my little sister is wearing it right now, but I don't know how to. Huh? It's like I've got 4 different eye modes. So that's so weird. Wait,
Hello.
let's try. This does anything. Let's see if her butt does anything. Okay? Hey guys, so make sure to like and subscribe. But you guys comment down below to I finally figured it out. You see? So you guys don't have to comment down below. But comment down below what you think, okay? Look at this. Okay. And then you want, that's so cute. And this is the regular one. Okay? Okay. Bye guys. You want to see my monster face? Okay. Ready? Set.